Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mia Yurka here, and we are back with another video. Today's video is in collaboration with Pinkzio. They reached out to me a few weeks ago, and they wanted me to do a review on their lashes permanent kit. Here you go. Oh, my nail is the same color as their kits. But anyway, so I was like, why not? I have never done that before. I have never permed my lashes. This is my first time doing this, and I will be doing it with you guys. My advice to you, if you're not comfortable doing it yourself, make sure you go ahead and go to a professional and bring the kit with you so they can do it for you. Okay. And right here, this is all the instructions on how to apply the product, how long you're supposed to let each chemical rest on your lashes. So that's that, and those are little rollers. They send, as you guys can see, let me open it so you guys can see, they sent you different sizes. This one is the smallest size. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Oh Lord, this is the smallest size, and you have a medium size, and this is the largest size. So if you're doing it yourself, make sure you get a size that is good for your eyes, and that is why I show you that I'm gonna show you what you're gonna need prior to starting this, but make sure you have a scissors just in case you have to cut, you know, some of it. And this is all the product that it comes with. So the first, each of them are numbers. That is I guess the steps that you need to apply them. You have number 1, which is the perm lotion, number 2, the setting lotion, number 3, moisturizer lotion, number 4, cleanse water, and number 5, the eyelashes glue. I don't think they're in order, actually, to tell the truth, because you have to apply the glue first, which is number 5. So I guess they just numbers them, that way you know what to use. And they have like those little rollers. Some people use those, but those look like really uncomfortable, and I'm not gonna look, you know, I'm not gonna try to fight with it. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the flatter ones. I have never done it before, so we're gonna go ahead and try. Okay, prior to you starting this, make sure you wash your face. You can use makeup removers, non-oily makeup removers if you have any makeup on. I wash my face with soap and water. I have nothing on my face, that's why I'm looking like this, so don't judge me. You know, make sure you wash your face, you know, clean your lashes, as you guys can see. Okay, and I will be showing you guys before and after. As you guys can see, my lashes, not like I don't have lashes, but at the same time they're not as long. So supposedly when you apply this, you perm your lashes. It's like when you perm your hair, your lashes are supposed to be more longer and curlier. Okay, so that's what we're gonna do. So let's get started, guys. These are the things that you're going to need. Alright guys, welcome back. First thing you need to do is make sure you detangle your lashes. Make sure there is no, you know, they're not mixed together. The next step is to measure the iPad that you're gonna be gluing on your eye to make sure it fit properly. Then use the water cleanser that they sent with the product to clean any extra residue from your eye. Use the glue, apply it on the pad, and apply the pad on your eye as close to the eyelashes as you can. I know I have some space, but that was my first time doing this. I also used the Q-tip to help remove any lashes that was stuck underneath. Then I applied the glue over the little padding, and I try to stick my lashes on it to the best of my abilities. Okay, so that part you need to make sure it's done properly, because once you start applying the other product, you don't want your eyelashes to be lifting. Okay, so that's what's gonna to give you that perfect curl. Then use the first one, which is the perm lotion, and as you guys can see, I'm applying it at the base of the lashes and not at the top. Okay, after 10 minutes, go ahead and remove it like I'm doing with an applicator, and go ahead and apply number 2. Okay, once you're done applying number 2, number 2 is also applied for like 10 minutes. All right, and I'm using the Q-tip because that's the easiest way to apply it. After the 10 minutes is up, go ahead and clean it up. As you guys can see, I'm not going at the tip of the tip of the lashes, sorry. Okay, the third step is they have like some moisturizing oil. Use that and leave it on for 5 minutes. After that, you may remove it and clean your the glue out of your eye. Okay, as you guys can see, it came out beautifully. Look at that. This one is done, this one nothing. Can you see the difference? I can see a difference. You see that one I didn't glue, I didn't rub it properly. It's kind of like stick out, so I'm missing the ends here, but it's no biggie. It's still, there's still glue though. That's my thing. The glue is real. So I use their cleanse water to help with the glue, and as you guys can see, the glue is still sticking. It's the residue basically of the glue. So I'm gonna go off camera to do the other eyes, guys, and then I'll come back and give you guys my honest opinion. Let me do the other eye and then I'll come back. Okay guys, so I came back with both of my eyes done. I can tell that this eye, I've done a better job on this eye. As you can see how the curls are popping on this eye than on this one right here. And I feel like I have more hair on this eye than this eye. I think when I wear lashes, that's what happened to people that wear a lot of lashes. But overall, for my first time and for doing it by myself, I think I did a pretty good job. Next time I'll focus more on this one right here. But I think I've done a good job. The only con I can say about this is that the glue, the residue, to remove the glue, it's super hard. So my advice, I think I was putting too much glue on the little pad. So don't put too much glue. And I like the fact that this, when you're done with it, you can rewash it. You can rewash it and put it back in the package. As you guys can see, I still have a lot more. So this is like, you know, a good amount of supply, you know, for $29.99, I believe is on their site. They do have a promotion going on their website for up to 50% off. But also I have my coupon code that I'm gonna put right here, Mia Yurka. If you interested in buying their item, for you to get 30% off, go ahead and use my code. That way you can use it. But is it worth it? I think it's worth it. Also, the smell is like jerry curl. I don't know if you guys ever tried jerry curls and stuff. That's the type of smell, but it's not that strong. Because I've seen people saying, oh, you know, the smell is strong. Make sure, you know, you have a fan or you have a bathroom. The smell is not that strong, but however, make sure it doesn't, you know, get into your eye. You know, it's chemical. It might burn your eyes and stuff. And another thing, when you're applying it, make sure it doesn't get, you know, like to the tip. And I think that's what happened with this one. That's why it's not as curly, because the tip, when I was kind of like removing the product, I can tell the tip was not, you know, super snug. So I was kind of like trying to hold the tip with the Q-tip and stuff, trying to hold it up. So maybe that is why it's not as curly as this side right here. But I'm definitely gonna try it again. Is it a pass or a trash? It's a pass. For the price and all that product that they give you, I believe it's a pass. I like it. So if you try it and you've used it before, make sure you go ahead and comment down below and let us know how your experience went. It's a tedious process. It's patient. You cannot do this in a rush. You really have to take your time, okay? But I think it's a pass. All right. So thank you so much, Pinkzio, for giving me that opportunity to try your product. And thank you guys for watching. Leave your comments down below and make sure, you know, if you're going to purchase it, make sure you use my coupon code so you can get an extra 30% off. I'll also put it on the screen somewhere for you guys. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful night. Bye.